We need to prepare a common high-pressure water gun. Then use the high-pressure water gun to repeatedly wash the dirt at the gap of the filter. During the washing, we can parted the gap of the filter by our fingers to make our cleaning easier and more efficient. Under the flushing of the high-pressure water gun, the dirt will reveal the original color of the filter. This indicates that the filter has been cleaned. Alright, after our careful washing, the cleaning of the filter is completed. Parnassus Holiday Spa. Enjoy a far romantic at home.